this.
Guys, the sunset is amazing, but you can't see it because there's so many trees in New Zealand. Seriously, New Zealand problems. Look at the colors. Here, let me bring the brightness down. There, see? It's gorgeous. See if I can see it out this window. No, see, it's not even the sunset anymore over here. It's over there. It's over there. One thing I miss about my house in California is that I can see the sunset from my front window and I can see the sunrise from my bedroom window. Here, it's over straight that way is where the sun sets, and can't see it because there's so many trees. I guess I just am really starting to miss home. This is an $8 dragon fruit. In Bali, these things are like pennies. Oh my god. Well, let's see if it's $8 good. Oh no, it's already going bad.
Oh no. We'll just eat around it, I guess.
That's not even sweet. Ew. Tastes like dirt. Good morning, everybody. That dragon fruit was a fail. Anyway, it's raining, but I'm gonna go out grocery shopping because we are running very low on food in the house. What is this? Okay. We're running very low on food in our house. So I think I'm gonna go to the store and get some ingredients to make a soup tonight because it has been raining. Apparently there's a cyclone, but it's not really affecting over here really that much. So not to worry. I know a lot of you have messaged me on Instagram and on Twitter seeing if we're okay, so thank you, we're okay. I think we'll go to the Chinese market and to Countdown and maybe to Red Cross to thrift shop before we leave. Our time here is coming to a close really soon. We're going back to California probably by the end of the month, so gotta get some more little knickknacks to remember it by. We have tons of shells that we probably should put back on the beach, but yeah. All right, let's go grocery shopping.
Yeah.
It's cold today. Where are you? Of course, vlogging on the hill. It's raining. Got the umbrella this time.
Yeah.
What?
Can I get a cookie?
No. You're getting a hot chocolate. Trying to cover both of us while carrying coffee and all our groceries.
And hot chocolate.
And hot chocolate.
On our way to Countdown.
On our way to Countdown.
Puddle.
He was drinking out of a puddle.
Yeah.
So cute.
I wish a rare would do that.
We're just passing Western Park, going to Countdown. Western Park. Western Park is the one with like these weird buildings sticking out of the ground. See? So strange. Kind of beautiful, but very strange. And it goes all the way down, and then the park with the big slide is at the bottom.
everything chopped up and ready to go in the soup later.
So I don't actually look at the news very often because I get really depressed from the news, but the cyclone apparently is way worse than I knew. So the reason I thought that everybody was at Countdown and the Chinese market for Easter because it's almost the weekend, which it could be that, but I noticed that people were like really grocery shopping. Like they had like full carts, like everybody did. So apparently the storm is so bad. It's not raining like right this second, but apparently the storm is gonna be so bad that like there's gonna be flooding everywhere. I think Auckland, like the city, is going to be in like the clear zone. Like we're fine, but I'm kind of thinking that the reason that everybody was at Countdown was, one, for Easter, and two, because they're like storm prepping. It's so crazy. So yeah, the cyclone is gonna be pretty bad. I forget what it's called. It's like Cyclone Cook or something. I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, cyclone, super fun. Woo!
I'm designing Kylie's birthday party right now on this site called For Your Party, and they kindly are going to send me some of these things that I've made for Kylie's birthday party. I'm kind of just doing like a little, I like that you can save the design and then kind of see it all together. This video is not sponsored, I'm just letting you guys know. I'm doing a Sailor Moon party for Kylie. These are super cute. They have a little little heart locket on there. These are some balloons that they have on their website, and this I designed for Kylie. Has the little locket on there. Oops. And then this napkin has all the little emblems on there in gold foil on it, and I think it's gonna be really cute. Oh yeah, and I'm making a lentil soup. I found this blog called Cookie and Kate. I don't know. Seems pretty good. That looks good. Soup recipe. I'm like only barely following it, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go with this recipe from this blog. I will leave the link in the description and I'll let you guys know if it's yum. I don't have all the ingredients too, so I'm kind of just you know, going with what I have. They didn't have vegetable stock at the supermarket, so I'm using like a powdered stock, so I don't really know how that's gonna turn out, but this is what we're having for dinner. Okay, I've got the soup cooking. Gotta cook that for 30 minutes. I'm very excited about it. I'll kind of explain what I have in here. I've got, oh goodness, all the vegetables that you saw me chop up, onion, and then a can of tomatoes, and the lentils and stuff, and then water and the vegetable stock stuff that I got. And we're just gonna let that with all the, and I made my own curry powder and then added some more cumin and whatever spices they said, salt and pepper. It's all in there. Okay. So excited. Also, this is how I had to open the can of tomatoes with a knife. It was actually horrifying. How'd you like the soup?
It's good.
You
really
good? It turned out really good. I'll leave the recipe in the links below. I'm drinking my green milk tea. These are 99 cents at the Chinese market. And we're watching Kyuranger? Kyuranger.
Melly got us ice cream bars. No!
No, listen.
Oh, you can't hear him
Hello?
farting. Too bad.